this.
Battle Royale. Gas is approaching
Why
your
does it say I'm the squad
Move to
leader?
the safe zone.
Because you are the squad leader.
Copy.
You ready?
All right, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team.
Right, let's go. A lot of people coming down here with us.
Yep, there's 2, 3 landing on top, right on top of us.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Targets are up. Get to work.
One jump down with you. Shit! I'm running for my life.
Somebody around the corner?
Yep.
He's down. Oh, I'm down.
I broke that one. I'm down. I broke him with a pistol.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive,
Wouldn't
you
that be
earn your
messed
freedom.
up if both of us ended up facing each other in the
The
gulag?
fight begins. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed rock.
Where's he at?
I have no idea. I'm not in the same line as
I won!
Begins now.
you. Nice.
Get ready to fight. You're
I'm
next.
still waiting to play. I died before
You'll
you.
probably be next.
I died before you.
You win this fight and you
Oh,
return
now
to
I'm
the
in it.
front line. But if you lose, you're done. Earn your way out.
I won.
You broke them. Well done. Ready to play.
I guess I'm gonna go down right here and lumber.
Moving.
I'm gonna hit this building.
Moving up.
That's what I'm hitting. Oh, I got me a silenced assault rifle. There's a
LMG here. Assault rifle.
We're almost dead center of the map too.
yeah, I know.
Or let me rephrase that: dead center of the circle.
Circle. Yeah.
Gas is closing in.
You want to do a bounty?
I don't care.
The objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Now, what are they? Wait. They're not far away from us, are they?
No, they never are.
There's a buy station right here.
Heading there.
We'll go.
We don't have any money. No, that's where our bounty is. That's where we gotta go.
We're in the safe zone. Get ready for incoming.
Bitch, you better pick up that cash.
I did. I'm going up top.
We've only got 2 more minutes to go get that that bounty. You ready to go after him?
Here in just a second.
We've only got a minute and a half.
Okie dokie. Well, let's head that away.
Enemy helo!
Yeah, I hear it.
Enemy soldier
Refill your
incoming.
plates. Come here, refill your plates. Right here.
Alright, I'm good. 30 seconds, let's go. The hell kind of gun is that?
Sniper rifle here.
Tactical rifle.
Yep, he's up here. Both of them.
Both of them.
Yep.
Receiving hostile.
Got one.
The other one's coming down at you.
Got them both.
Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Nice. Although you killed him after the fact.
3 of them were here.
Found an aid station.
Holy shit, I hit the fucking mother load.
Yeah, now you can buy me
God
back.
damn.
Buy me back. There's a
Found
buy
an aid
station
station.
right outside.
Okay, you got to give me just a second here. I gotta figure out what kind of gun I want here.
Buy me back so I can collect something. It's outside. Grassy ass.
You're welcome. Let's see. Armor satchel.
Drop back, headed your way.
Oh, there's a loadout.
There, I'm going. Moving.
Don't need to buy one.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Burst tactical rifle. I'm full of every ammo.
Not.
I have a burst tactical rifle and a assault rifle silenced.
Okay.
How much did I miss the damn bounty by?
I don't know. It was just a few seconds. It's like 10 seconds at the most.
Damn. What do we want to buy?
Let's go to the loadout. It's on top of that building.
I see that.
Gas is inbound.
There's a bunch of people here. Shit.
You still good?
We're in the safe zone. Get ready for incoming.
I'm up here.
You want revenge? Get up!
Thought you said there was a bunch of people.
There's 4 people on the other side.
I don't see anybody.
There's like 3 or 4 people on the other side.
Alright. Yep.
Right there.
Shit.
I knew they were right there somewhere.